it's Mandy for Mindset for Success with step number 5 in setting yourself up for a successful and awesome 2019. So hopefully if you've done the first steps, you will have gathered some information that is going to help you now create 2019. So the next step is a really, really important one. And this is something I get all my clients to do at this time of the year, and I've already done mine, and that is creating your future vision. So the key here is imagine that you're now standing on December the 31st or thereabouts, 2019, and it has been the most incredible year. You've achieved your goals and so many other incredible things have happened. Really create that moment in time. Be there as if you're there. And perhaps the best way to get started is to consider the one thing that you would love to achieve, that if you achieved it next year, it would just ripple on in every other area in your life. So start with that one thing and build from there. Now, if you have never really set goals and achieved them, then start small. Maybe have 1, 2 or 3 areas and goals that you want to focus on. If you are a high achiever and you achieve your goals, then have 5 big goals that you want to create. But the first step is standing at that moment and imagining how you want your life to be. How will you be feeling and how will you be when you've achieved these goals? There is a template to help you do this. It's in the Winning Mindsets Facebook group. So I'll put a link down to the group below, and please come along and join us and you can access the document there. So you want to write out such as this. I'm so grateful for the most amazing year. I put systems and strategies in my business and I doubled my income. I'm so excited for the year I changed careers and I got this amazing new job, etc., etc. I'm so grateful that I studied and I passed with a distinction. I'm so grateful for my health, my family, for my overseas travel, the opportunities because I met my ideal partner. Whatever it is for you that is going to make up your best and most amazing year in 2019. So have some fun, play big, and write it as if you have achieved it and really connect with the feeling. So that's the first step. Write your future vision as draft number 1. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Version 1 is better than version none. You can always refine it and tweak it. But as I said, this becomes your destination for your year. There are other steps to do because we can't just create a vision and do nothing, but this is your foundational piece that is going to drive everything else to help you get a successful and awesome 2019. So have fun with it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Subscribe to the channel so you make sure you get all the other videos, and I'll put the link down below to my Winning Mindsets Facebook group where you can get your own copy of the Future Vision template with an example of how you can craft yours. So thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success, and I'll be back tomorrow with step number 6.